This is what I call an Oreo cookie duck. Got that spotted thing at the front. I should put preening for a minute, I can see. There she is. I don't know what kind of duck this is. The babies walking around and look just like her. It's been a banner year for ducklings. They're still coming along. Oh my goodness. Here's somebody else. Opportunist. I hear peep, peep, peep. Oh, that's that guy over here. Yeah, he's cute. He's very handsome. Very handsome. And he's got the speckle front. Peeping away. I'm trying to follow in there into the water. He's definitely got the speckly front. He's an Oreo bird.